Now we discuss one more problem from GMains 2020 7th January shift 2. The problem is actually from the straight lines, I can say. The question is like this: the locus of midpoints of the perpendiculars drawn from the points on the line x is equals to 2y to the line x is equals to y. Right here we have to find out it's a problem of locus. Locus of midpoints of the perpendiculars drawn from the points on the line x is equals to 2y to the line x is equals to y. Now you see here, let us suppose you have a coordinate system and this is the line y is equals to x, right? So one more line what is given to us is x is equals to 2y. Let us suppose we have here x is equals to 2y. Because of the slope of this x is equals to 2y line is half, so it will be like this. Then what we have to do is we have to find out the locus of midpoints of the perpendiculars drawn from points on the line x is equals to 2y. So here we have a point on the line x is equal to, here this is the line we have x is equals to 2y. On this we have to select a point. From that point you have to drop the perpendicular to this line x is equals to y. Okay, from a point on the line x is equals to 2y, you have to drop a perpendicular on the line x is equals to y. So I will select a point on x is equals to 2y. Let us suppose that point is now, let us suppose this is the point capital A. From this point what we have to do, we have to drop a perpendicular on the line y is equals to x. Okay, let us suppose that point perpendicular is B. Okay, now this is the B is the foot of the perpendicular of the point A. Now what we have to find, in this we have to find out the locus of midpoint. So let us suppose this is the midpoint M. So here we have to find out the locus of the point M. Right. So to do that, here the point A is on the line x is equals to 2y. So what I will do here, the line x is equals to 2y, I'll select a point A on this line in the parametric form. So if I suppose y is equals to t, if I suppose y is equals to t, x will become 2t. So I'll suppose A as 2t comma t. And what is B here? B is the foot of the perpendicular of the point A on the line x is equals to y, that is x minus y is equals to 0. Now you know the formula to find out foot of the perpendicular. The formula is h minus x1, that is x minus 2t, by A, x coefficient is 1, is equals to k minus y1, that is k minus t, by minus 1 is equals to minus of, what is the formula? You have to substitute this point in the line, that is 2t, x value is 2t, minus y value is t, by a square plus b square, 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. So which is nothing but 2t minus t is t, so minus t by 2. So from this, if you compare this with this and this one k minus t with this, we will get h comma k now. So what is that? H minus 2t is equals to minus t by 2, and what we have, k minus t is equals to, if you multiply with the minus 1, you will get t by 2. Okay. Now what is h? H is equals to minus t by 2 plus 2t you will get. So 4t, after taking LCM, 4t minus t, that is h is equals to 3t by 2, comma here you get k is equals to also plus t means 3t by 2. Right. So we got of the foot of the perpendicular. We got foot of the perpendicular h is equal to 3t by 2, comma k is equals to 3t by 2, which is on the line y is equals to x, which is nothing but we supposed here b. So I got now b. What is b here? B is 3t by 2, comma 3t by 2. Now we have to find out the locus of midpoint of AB. Now we suppose here M. Let point we suppose M is the midpoint here. So let us suppose now M is something, say x1 comma y1, for which we need to find out locus of the point, right? Now to find out locus of the point M, what we do first, we will find out what is the midpoint of AB, and that we will equate with x1 comma y1. Okay, so what is the midpoint of AB? Here we have a 2t comma t, and here we have b 3t by 2 comma 3t by 2. So what is that? X1 plus x2 by 2, that is 2t plus 3t by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 3t by 2 plus t by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. From this, if you compare first quadrant equal to first quadrant, we do like that, what you get? 2x1 is equals to 2x1 equal to what you get here? 2 to the 4t plus 3t, 7t by 2, comma here y1 is equals to, sorry, 2y1 is equals to 2t plus 3t, 5t by 2. Now here you see 2x1 and 2y1 we got here, they are in a parametric form. So whenever you have a parametric form, you have to eliminate the parameter to get the locus. So to eliminate the parameter, what I'm going to do, simply I'll divide them. So 2x1 divided by 2y1, if I do 7t by 2 by 5t by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So 7t by 5t. Tt also cancel, it 2 cancel. So at the end I got 5x1 is equals to 7y. Okay, now at the end if you want to write the locus, we replace x1 by x and y1 by y. So what do you get here? 5x is equals to 7y, which is required. 5x minus 7y equals to 0, which you can see there in the C option.